Introducing the USB-C and Thunderbolt 3 TBT3 UDC3 docking station. Connect dual monitors up to 4K 60Hz to your Thunderbolt 3 laptop. Fully charge your 16-inch MacBook Pro in only 110 minutes with 100-watt power delivery. Expand your potential with a set of versatile and high-bandwidth ports. 2 USB-C ports at 10 gigabits per second, 1 USB-A port at 10 gigabits per second, and 2 USB-A ports at 5 gigabits per second. Maneuver the internet quickly with the included Gigabit Ethernet. For USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 laptops of today and USB 4 or Thunderbolt 4 laptops of the future, the next generation of docking stations, Plugable's TBT3 UDC3.
Targus presents the world's first enterprise-class universal docking station to deliver 4K on 4 extended displays. Meet the new Targus Dock 570. Thanks to Targus Dock 570, you'll get superb picture quality at your workstation, and with 4 extended displays, a massive workspace at your fingertips. Your workstation has never been more powerful than with a high-performance quad-monitor dock that supports 4K on all 4 displays. The 8 available video output ports allow you to decide between DisplayPort or HDMI display options to ensure compatibility for your configuration. 4 USB 3.0 ports makes it easy to customize workspaces with the latest keyboards, external drives, and other essential peripherals. Efficient charging is close at hand with the powered USB 3.0 port for keeping your smartphone, tablet, or other devices powered up and ready to go. Targus Dock 570 offers 100-watt USB power delivery on PD 2.0, so you can power laptops and larger devices through your dock. Targus Dock 570 comes equipped with a USB-C to USB-A adapter, as well as Targus's exclusive charging solution that uses legacy charging tips to power a variety of major laptops. Your most advanced workspace configurations become easy with compatibility across virtually any laptop, including Thunderbolt 3, DisplayPort Alt Mode, USB 3, 3.1, and Type-C devices. Maximize your performance with Targus Dock 570. Find more at targus.com.
The Corsair TBT100 Thunderbolt 3 dock allows you to connect a wealth of devices to your Mac or PC, boasting up to 40 gigabits per second of bandwidth while efficiently charging your computer with smart charging technology. The front of the TBT100 features a single USB-C 10 gigabit per second port, a single SD card slot which supports UHS 2, and a 3.5mm audio combo jack. The rear of the TBT100 features a secure lock, power in, a Thunderbolt 3 port, dual HDMI 2.0 ports with support for up to 4K 60Hz video, a second USB-C 10 gigabit per second port, a Gigabit Ethernet port, and dual USB-A 5 gigabit per second ports. To get started with the TBT100, connect the included power supply to the dock and plug it into the wall for power. Now, connect your devices to the TBT100. Connect the TBT100 to an available Thunderbolt 3 port on your Mac or PC using the included Thunderbolt 3 cable. If you need to change the power state of the TBT100, push and hold the power button for 3 seconds. To enable high-power USB support and easily eject all storage devices connected to the TBT100, download and install the free Corsair Thunderbolt dock utility. And that's it, all your devices are just a cable away with the Corsair TBT100 Thunderbolt 3 dock. For more information about our lineup of Thunderbolt products, check out corsair.com/thunderbolt. Thanks for watching.
Ever felt dongles are taking up too much valuable port spaces on your laptop? It's time to throw away the dongles in the trash and keep your charger in your backpack. The TS3 Plus allows you to fully unleash the power of Thunderbolt 3. Hidden in the MacBook Pro and other high-end laptops is a USB Type-C connector that can do it all. Video, audio, data, Power delivery. 4 protocols through a single cable means you need a dock to access all your legacy devices. CalDigit's TS3 Plus has the most ports, delivers the full 85 watts to your laptop for charging, and it can light up 2 4K monitors. CalDigit's TS3 Plus is the only Thunderbolt 3 docking solution that has a UHS-2 SD card reader, allowing photographers to dump their photos 3 times faster than traditional UHS-1. Photos, video clips, and media simply read and write faster. Display is delivered through the DisplayPort 1.2 and the downstream Thunderbolt 3 port. Light up 2 4K monitors at 60 Hz or a single 5K display. TS3 Plus offers different audio options that can cover nearly any format. The front panel has analog audio in and out for your headphones and microphone, while the digital optical audio in the back works with audio-video receivers, DAT recorders, and other high-end audio equipment. In addition to all these awesome features, the TS3 Plus can deliver 85 watts to charge your laptop. While most docks only deliver a fraction of your factory charger, the TS3 Plus is a one-to-one replacement for Apple's latest MacBook Pro. CalDigit's TS3 Plus is the best Thunderbolt 3 docking solution on the market. Enhance your workflow with the most ports, the ability to light up 2 4K displays, and still have a full 85 watts to charge your laptop.
Hi, I'm Bernie Thompson. I'm the founder of Plugable Technologies. So today we're launching our USB 4 Hub 3A. The hub looks simple. It's got 3 downstream USB-C ports, and it's got its own power and 1 downstream USB-A port, and then the connection back to the laptop. So the Plugable USB 4 Hub 3A using Intel's Goshen Ridge chipset has really great forward and backward compatibility with newer and older systems and newer and older devices. So we wanted to show that on the devices side, and this is pretty cool. Connected to the MacBook Pro here, we have the Plugable USB 4 Hub 3A, and then off of its downstream USB-A port, we've got a USB 3 hub, a 10-port version. So now I have 10 USB 3 ports at full 5 gigabit per second performance on all of those ports. And then off of one of those ports, we have connected a pluggable USB 2 2-port hub. And off of those, we have connected 2 USB 1.1 devices, the oldest possible USB standard, and through that we have this keyboard and mouse connected. So we've got 3 major generations of USB technology: the USB 4 Thunderbolt 4 generation of technology, the USB 3 generation of technology, and the USB 2 generation of technology, all connected together, daisy-chained, and working perfectly with the very latest system, Apple MacBook Pro with the M1 Max chip. And we've got 2 displays connected, and we're charging the MacBook Pro. So this is the full potential of USB realized, especially highlighting USB's great forward and backward compatibility. So the Goshen Ridge chip can support 2 4K displays at 60 Hz, or a 5K display at 60 Hz, or an 8K display at 30 Hz. What we're showing here on the desk is 2 4K displays running at 60 Hz, one of them with an included USB-C to HDMI adapter. We include that in the box and make sure that it's one that works great with the hub. And then we have a second one, an optional one that's not included in the box, that we're using here for this setup to connect the second monitor. And then on the laptop side, any laptop that supports USB-C on the Mac side will work at full function, meaning the full function of the laptop itself. On the Windows side, it's any USB-C Windows system, with a few exceptions of some older Thunderbolt 3 systems that don't have upgradable firmware. You just have to be on the lookout for those. But if you've got a standard just USB-C Windows laptop, or you've got any sort of newer system from 2020 and later that is Thunderbolt 4 or USB 4 compatible, those will all work. You can see here in this setup that we've just got a single cable back to the MacBook Pro, and the hub is charging the MacBook Pro. The hub supports a maximum charge rate of 60 watts, which is in this case less than the maximum that the MacBook can support, but that's not a problem. USB-C charging is smart, and the two sides negotiate to the common kind of power level. And 60 watts is enough to be using the laptop for normal use and still have the battery be charging even while you're using it. And certainly while you're not using it, it's going to charge quite quickly. Now, the downstream USB-C ports on the hub, did they support charging 3 laptops on those downstream ports? No, the downstream ports support standard Type-C USB power, 5 volt, 3 amps, so a total of 15 watts on each of those downstream ports. Almost all phones are able to be charged at close to a full rate. So there you go. That's the pluggable USB 4 Hub 3A using Intel's Goshen Ridge chipset, supporting the latest USB standards with USB 4 and Thunderbolt 4 certified. If you have any questions at all, we'd love to hear from you. Just comment below.